Assalamu alaikum 10th class. How are you dear students? My dear students, today our topic is sum and product of roots of quadratic equations, exercise 2.3, which is taken from Punjab textbook board Bahawalpur. Dear students, you know that the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and whose roots are, these are the roots of the quadratic equation. First root is minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Suppose this root is equals to the alpha and this root is equals to the beta. So sum of roots are equals to, if we will add these two alpha and beta, these two values, after taking the LCM, we will get only one value, one single fraction, which is equals to minus b by a. And if we will multiply these two roots, then we will get the answer is c by a. These are the roots. This is the sum of roots of the quadratic equation, and this is the product of roots of quadratic equation. This is the introduction of the topic of today. Now we will start our exercise 2.3, question number 1. Question number 1 is that without solving, find the sum and product of roots of the following equation. This is very simple and very easy method. First part is given that x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. First of all, we will find the values of a, b and c like we will find the values for the quadratic formula. So coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and the constant value is c. So write the values of a equals to 1, b equals to minus 5 and c is equals to 3. Dear students, as we have discussed that sum of roots equals to minus b by a, means alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. This is the minus and this is also minus. So minus minus plus, it will become 5 by 1. We can write it that sum equals to 5. And the product of roots equals to c by a as given in this part. So product of root is, the value of c is 3, value of a is 1. So c by a equals to 3 by 1, which can be written product of root equals to 3. Move to part number 5. L plus mx square plus m plus nx plus n minus L equals to 0. Here this is the coefficient of x square, so this is the value of a. This is the coefficient of x, so it will be equals to b, and this is the constant value, so it is the value of c. Again, sum of roots of this equation, s or alpha plus beta you can write, which is equals to minus b by a. So we will write minus b by a minus m plus n by L plus m. And product equals to c by a, so we will write values of c and minus L divided by L plus m. These are the answers. Part number 6, 7x square minus 5mx plus 9m equals to 0. Here a is equals to 7, b equals to minus 5m and c equals to 9n. First of all, we will find the sum of roots. S equals to minus b by a, and you know that this is the negative value, so minus minus plus 5m by 7. And product equals to c by a, and value of c is 9n, a equals to 7, so 9n by 7. This is the simple answer. Now question number 2, find the value of k if sum of root, here is some condition is given that sum of roots of equation is given x square plus 3k minus 7x plus 5k equals to 0. Is 3 by 2 times the product of roots. So my dear student, first of all, we will find the sum and the product of roots of that equation. For this, we will write the value of a, which is equals to 1, value of b, which is equals to 3k minus 7, and value of c equals to 5k. And after that, we will find the sum of roots. S means sum minus b by a minus 3k minus 7 by a is 1, so no need to write the a in the denominator. So p is equals to c by a, c equals to 5k by 1, which is equals to 5k. In this question, some condition is given. Condition is that the sum of root is 3 by 2 times the product. So we can write that sum is equals to the 3 by 2 times of the product. So we will put the values of sum, minus 3k minus 7 equals to 3 by 2, and value of product is 5k. Now we will multiply the equation by 2 on both sides. It will become minus 6x 3 to the 6 minus minus plus 7 to the 14, and here 2 will be cancelled, 3 5 the 15k. We will combine the like terms and the value of k to left hand side. 6k minus 15k equals to minus 14, and the 21 minus 6 and minus 15 equals to 21k, and which is equals to minus 14. Minus minus will be cancelled with each other, and we will divide the equation by 21 on both sides, and we have k is equals to minus 14 by minus 21 or 14 by 21. Both will be divisible by 7, so we will divide this fraction by 7, and we will get 7 to the 14, 7 3 is 21. So value of answer k is equals to 2 by 3. Question number 5 is that find m if roots of equation is given is x square plus 7x plus 3m minus 5 equals to 0 satisfies the relation 3 alpha minus 2 beta equals to 4. Here we have value of a is 1, value of b is 7, and the value of c is 3m minus 5. Suppose, first of all, we will suppose that alpha plus beta are the roots. So we can say that alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and here value of b is 7. So we will put minus 7 by 1. Dear student, in this question, this is the different to the previous questions. First we will write alpha plus beta equals to minus 7, and beta equals to, from this equation we will find the value of beta. We will find the value of beta, which is equals to minus 7 minus alpha. This is equation 2. And now product of roots alpha beta equals to c by a. So this is equals to 3m minus 5. According to this 3m minus 5. So we will write this equation number 3. And now we will move to given relation. Given relation is 3 alpha minus 2 beta equals to 4. So we will write the relation 3 alpha minus 2 beta equals to 4. Here we will put the value of beta which we have derived from equation 1. Value of beta is minus 7 minus alpha. Minus minus plus 7 to the 14, minus minus plus 2 alpha. 3 alpha plus 2 alpha equals to 5 alpha. 4 minus 14 equals to minus 10. From here we will get the value of alpha after dividing the equation by 5. So the value of alpha is minus 2. Now we will find the value of beta. For this we will put the value of alpha in equation 1, 2, 3 as you wish. But I have put the value of alpha in equation 2, which is equals to beta is equal to minus 7 minus alpha. So beta is equals to minus 7 minus alpha. So put the value of minus alpha, which is equals to minus 2 minus minus plus 2. It will becomes, and beta value of beta is equals to minus 5. Okay dear students, here we will put the sign of the negative minus 5. Now we will put the values of alpha and beta in equation number 3, which is equals to alpha beta equals to 3m minus 5. Why we will put? Because we are going to find the value of m, and m is present only this equation, this relation. There are 3 equations and only m is present in this one. So that's why we will put the values of alpha and beta in this equation. So alpha beta is equals to 3m minus 5. Value of alpha is minus 2 and value of beta is minus 5. So put these values, and 2 5 is 10 equals to 3m minus 5. We will arrange the values and get the value of m, which is equals to 15 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So value of m is equals to 5. This is the answer. Now we will move to the question number 6, which is the last question of this exercise. Now dear students, this is question statement is that find m if sum and product of roots are of this equation 2m plus 3x square plus 7m minus 5x plus 3m minus 10 equals to 0 is equal to lambda. This is the symbol of lambda. According to this condition, that sum and the product of this equation is equal to the lambda. So first we will find the sum of roots of this equation. And you know that here a is equals to 2m plus 3, b equals to 7m minus 5, c equals to 3m minus 10. So sum of this equation is minus b by a, means minus 7m minus 5 by 2m plus 3. And their product is c by a, 3m minus 10 by a, 2m plus 3. Since according to question that sum and product are equal to lambda, so we will put sum equals to product, both are equals to lambda. So now we will put the values of sum and the product here. This is the value of sum, this is the value of product. You know that both are, the denominators are the same, so we will multiply the equation by the denominator 2m plus 3 on both sides, and 2m plus 3 will be cancelled on both sides, and we will get minus 7m plus 5 equals to 3m minus 10. Now we will arrange the values of m to left hand side and the constant values to right hand side and get minus 10m equals to minus 15. Now we will divide the equation by 10 on both sides and get answer is 3 by 2, which is the answer of this value m. Okay, and according to the question we will find the value of m. My dear student, this is the end of exercise 2.3. I hope so that you have the clear concepts. If you have any problem, please don't hesitate to ask any question. Take care yourself. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.